Welcome. In this video we will show you an attack to a scammer website. We will perform the denial of service attack to shut down the website and then scam their email. We do not respect scammers. We will now start the attack to their website. As you can see, the website can't reload. Time to spam their email address. We do not forget. We do not forgive. Expect us. Spamming in progress. Scammers will never win. Subscribe to support us. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. We would be more than happy if you would like and share and subscribe. This video was made to show you guys that we win against bad people. We only do this to bad people. Don't target others.